About this item: streaming from everywhere. Stream sports events, watch movies, gaming, and show photos/albums directly from your devices. Samsung Galaxy S8/S9/S10/S8 Plus/S9 Plus/Note 8, and never miss the game-winning touchdown or your favorite TV episodes. No more worry on bad Wi-Fi casting issues. Note, designed for computers mainly, do not have any charging port on the adapter. Plug and play, no adapter or driver/software required. Perfect solution for your USB-C MacBook Pro/MacBook, iMac, Surface Book 2, Pixel Book, HP Envy 13, Galaxy Book, and Chromebook. Drive 1 or 2 HDMI monitors/displays, up to 4K at 30Hz resolution. Compatible with HDMI-enabled TVs/monitors/projectors for both video and audio transfer. Note, designed for computers mainly, not for tablets and smartphones, except Samsung Galaxy S8/S9, S8/S9 Plus, Note 8, Mate 10, HTC U11, wide compatibility, compatible with 2019/2018/2017 MacBook Pro, 2019 iMac, 2019/2018